Okay, people, this is T from Tailor-Made Kicks. I'm doing a quick little educational video on how to put a glass or a plastic sneaker box together. What's up? How's everybody doing? I normally get mine from Amazon. They didn't have the brand that I normally get. I normally get Song mics, but we're gonna try this one out. Let's see if it's the same quality. It's about the same price. Paid $60 for 6, so that basically comes out to like $10 a piece. If you want to get your sneakers out of those cardboard boxes, because that's not good. They age in there. It's just not a good look. Amazon, 2-day, next day, prime shipping. Normally these are quick and easy to put together. So this will be one box. They come with instructions, but I've been doing it for a while, so I pretty much should be able to do this with my eyes closed. Here we go. So we'll make one of these, a side, or a base. These will be the sides. Let me see if I still remember how to do this. Line these up. Line these up. Up. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. A new episode of Tailor-Made Kicks every Wednesday. This is basically like just lining everything up. It's real easy once you've done it, 3 or 4 times. Let me know if y'all know any other places that sell these boxes, because I think everybody's trying to buy them up because everybody's a sneaker connoisseur right now. That'll be the basis of the box. Now, the only thing that's left is the lid. I like the side ones that open on the side a little better, but these are better if you have a lot of shoes. The front door. So open it up. I'll put a pair of shoes in here. And just like that, people, we have a sneaker box. Like that, we have a sneaker box, ladies and gentlemen. can order yours from Amazon or eBay. These is they don't have the Song Mic brand anymore. I think these are called, like, it starts with an A, like Attributes or something like that. But yeah, here it is. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. Live show every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Signing out. Seller Made Kicks, people.